So the next Kahoot we're going to do is computer science trivia, 16 questions. It's had tens of thousands of plays, so let's see how we do at this. Computer science trivia, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Play along with us. See what score you get, add it to the comments. What is the name of the first computer? Oh no, it's not one of those two. Eric. No, it was ENIAC. Alright. Didn't really know that one, that's pretty tough to be honest. Which of the following is not a programming language? Should get this one after a decade as a software developer. Microsoft. They are a manufacturer. Next. What computer device got its name because the cord looks like the tail of this animal? Oh! Mouse! Mouse! Yes, mouse. Up to the top. Which social media is the newest? Twitter, MySpace, Facebook, Instagram. Instagram, I want to say. Yeah. Whew. Tough. Which letter is between Q and E on the keyboard? W! Well, on a QWERTY keyboard, anyway. Watch this 2-minute video about Grace Hopper. Okay.
Know some amazing women? Join Women's Stories as we highlight Grace Hopper, an amazing computer scientist, one of the first, and a U.S. Navy Rear Admiral. Grace was born in New York City in 1906. She was a curious child, and at age 7 she decided to see how an alarm clock worked. She took apart 7 clocks before her mother figured out what she was doing and took away 6. She did let Grace continue to investigate one. Grace applied to Vassar College for early admission, but was rejected. She was admitted the next year and graduated from Vassar in 1928 with a degree in math and physics. She earned her PhD in math from Yale in 1934 and returned to Vassar to teach math. During World War II, Grace joined the U.S. Navy Reserves as part of the Mark I computer programming staff. While working on the Mark II computer, a pesky moth was stuck inside. Grace remarked that they were debugging the system. Today, we still debug computer programs, and Grace's moth is preserved at the Smithsonian. Next, Grace joined the team developing the UNIVAC-1, the second commercial computer developed in the U.S. Grace created a compiler to translate source code into computer language. In 1959, she worked on the committee that defined a new computer language, COBOL. Grace believed that programming languages should be close to English rather than machine code, which was the convention. She first retired from the Navy in 1966 at the age of 60, but the Navy recalled her to active duty because they still had work for her to do. By 1986, when she finally really retired, she was a Rear Admiral. After her final retirement from the Navy, she received many honors and traveled and lectured widely until her death at 85 in 1992. She is buried at Arlington National Cemetery. Today, Microsoft's Hoppers, the Grace Hopper Celebration of Women in Computing Conference, and the USS Hopper are just a few of the enduring tributes to her. This video is a Women's Stories production. Women's Stories is an open collaborative effort of women around the world to inspire, encourage, and celebrate women's lives.
Cool. Right. Who came up with the phrase computer bug? Well, Grace Hopper. Yay. We were listening. We were listening. What critter was the first computer bug? Moth. A moth. What was the first? Who was the first computer programmer? Ada Lovelace. Don't know what that picture had to do with it, but yeah. What did Charles Babbage invent when he designed his analytical engine in 1833? A typewriter? Well, a computer. It wasn't really a modern computer, was it? Multi-select, ooh. What is the name of the IBM computer that beat Jeopardy champions? Watson? Wendy? Oh, Watson and Laura! What is the popular name for the small icons commonly used to describe emoticons? Emojis! Yes. Multi-select again. Double points! Select all the computer manufacturers that were started in the garage. Ugh. Microsoft. Facebook, kind of, at uni. Oh. Well, it wasn't a garage, yeah, well, no. Bleh. No one got that. What does WWW stand for? World Wide Web. World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Who co-founded Microsoft? Steve Ballmer. Well, Bill Gates did out of those. I thought they were going to go for the less obvious. What part of the computer is the brain? CPU, 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 CPU. No, I'm not agreeing with that, motherboard. Because that is even the picture of a CPU. Not liking that last question, I have to say. Not the brain. Nancy was in third, 10 out of 15. Robin, 9 out of 15. 11 out of 15. Yay, we're at the top. That was pretty tough. I'm not having that last question, and some of the others were a bit difficult, but certainly fun. Definitely, so well worth checking it out. We'll put the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and we'll see you for the next computing quiz. See you later.